Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Stripe Atlas for launching a new startup company, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Stripe Atlas website. Click on the Get Started button to initiate the process. You will need to sign in with your existing Stripe account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once you're logged in, you will see a brief overview of what Stripe Atlas offers. Review the information carefully and click on the Continue button when you're ready to proceed. Next, you will fill out a form that requires some basic details about your new startup. Provide your email address and choose a strong password. After entering your information, click on Create Account to move forward. You'll now be prompted to verify your email address. Go to your email inbox and find the verification email from Stripe. Click on the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Stripe Atlas portal. You'll need to select your business type from a drop-down menu. This could be a corporation, limited liability company, or another structure. After selecting, you'll be asked to enter your business name. Choose a name that reflects your brand and is unique. Following this, you will need to provide a brief description of your startup. Make sure to articulate your mission and objectives clearly. Now, you will enter your intended business address. Stripe Atlas will assist in setting up a U.S. entity for your startup. Next, review the bank account options available. You can select to open a new U.S. bank account through the offered partner services. Preparing the required identification documents is the next step. Typically, you'll need a government-issued ID and proof of address. Once you have your documents ready, upload them via the portal. Confirm that all information is accurate before proceeding. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.